Forget everything you know about healthy desserts. You are about to make the easiest, healthiest banana pancakes of your life. And I'm not exaggerating. No flour, no sugar. Just pure, delicious goodness. Hey everyone, if you are my subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Bori and welcome. I need your support to get my channel to 1,000 subscribers. Therefore, please don't forget to subscribe now. And thank you. To make this simple yet delicious recipe, we start beating 1 egg. Next, we are going to mash 1 banana. This is a ripe banana, so it will be much easier to mash it up. Next, we are going to pour in the eggs. Then mix it thoroughly. We are going to add a little salt. 1 drop of vanilla extract. This is optional. Okay, that should be good enough. And continue to mix it up. Smells yummy already. The fragrance from banana and the vanilla extract. Perfect combination to make this pancake. Now that the ingredients are prepared, next we are going to make pancake. The pan has been preheated on medium-low heat and now it's ready. Add oil, about a teaspoon of oil. I am using coconut oil. Feel free to substitute it with butter if you prefer. For me, I use both. It depends on what I want that day. Add batter. For the size of the pancake, you can adjust it to your liking, whether it's bigger size or smaller size. But I found a smaller size is easier to flip. So we are going to fry this for 1 minute or so, or until golden brown. So it looks like it's ready to flip. Using chopstick works every time for me when I need to flip something that is easy to break. Even this banana pancake looks amazing, isn't it? It doesn't require to add any sweetness such as maple syrup. But if you prefer sweeter, feel free to add that on top of the pancake. Smells incredible. The combination of the aroma from coconut oil, banana, and from the vanilla extract. So delicious. Okay, the pancake is ready. I am going to remove it. Place it to the plate. Look at the final result. Banana pancake. It's mouth-watering. It's delicious and yet nutritious. If this video helped you out, please share with your families and friends and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.